Hi guys, welcome to math. Today let's start with our calendar and let's do the months of the year. How many are there? 12. Okay, here we go. January, February, March, and April. May, June, July, and August. September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. What month are we still in? April. And what number month is April? 4. You're right. And do you remember yesterday was April 29, which means today is April 30. And it's still the year 2020. What's special about today? What's special about today? It is the end of the month, right? It's the last day of April. So what will be our next month? May. So tomorrow will be May 1. It'll be the first day of May. So let's see if today is April 30. What was it 3 weeks ago? Let's go. So here's 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It was April 9 and it was Passover. So that was happening 3 weeks ago. Seems like we just did that, right? Oh, the camera keeps moving because Skittles thinks it's fun to attack the camera. Yes, she does. Okay, now, what time is it? The hour hand is on the 7, and the minute hand is pointing straight up and says o'clock, 7 o'clock. Okay, let me give you a little bit more difficult one. What time is it right now? The minute hand, or the hour hand, is between the 9 and the 10, which means we go back to the 9. And then we count by 5, starting with the 1 for our minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 4, oh, we passed it, sorry. 5, let's go back, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I can't see from this side. 25, so it is 9:25. Okay, and I have some coins here. I have this coin. What is that? A nickel. And how much are nickels worth? 5. So I have 4 of them. Oh, no, I have 5 of them. So let's count by 5s 5 times and see what we get. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And I also have these little pennies. Pennies are worth 1. So I have 25. Let's count on. 26, 27, 28, 29. I have 29 cents, which is wonderful. Let's do our 5s. Our 5s, count by our 5s. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, backwards, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. And you are really fast at the 5s. I know you can go all the way to 100 and all the way back from 100 really fast. So you're getting so good at the 5s. All right, kindergartners, today you are going to have a paper on the front, which might be a little confusing because it has the problem like 6 take away 1 equals 5, and 3 take away 1 equals 2, and 10 take away 1 equals 8. And it has all the answers already, but here's the problem. Some of the answers are wrong, so which means that you are going to correct the page as if you are the teacher, and you're going to see if the person who did it got all the answers right. So you'll have to figure out, is 6 take away 1 5? Let's look. Is 6 take away 1 5? Yes, so they got that one right. You could put a star or a check mark or a happy face or something just so we know they got that one right. Is 3 take away 1, 2? 3 take away 1 is 2. Oh, got that one right. Is 10 take away 1, 8? If we have 10 and we take away 1, is that 8? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that one's not right. Oh, my marker keeps falling. That one's not right. So maybe you can cross it out and put a 9. That one is wrong. We have to put the correct answer. So that's what you'll be doing on your paper. I think the other page is a test. So you should know everything on that one. That one will be easy for you, and it's just one page. All right, first graders, you're going to see a bunch of shapes. Here, you're going to get some shapes. Let's see what other ones there are. And they're going to be divided, and they want you to say which one is divided into fourths. And when you're dividing it into fourths, that means it has 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal pieces. And I know I can't draw it exactly equal, but this has 4. So yep, this would be 1. Does this have 4 pieces? No. Does this have 4 pieces? No. Does this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So if it has 4 pieces, then you're going to circle it because that is what they asked you to do, the fourths. You're also going to have more of those double digit subtracting and adding. So you might have a problem like this, 74 take away 24. And you start on the right side and you say 4 take away 4 is 0. And then you do 7 take away 2. So if you have 7 and you take away 2, how many do you have left? Right, 5. So your answer would be 50. Or if you have 33 take away 23, start on the right hand side. What's 3 take away 3? 0. Very good. What's 3 take away 2? We have 1 left. Very good. So those are easy. Those you have to make sure you see if it's take away or plus. So these had the subtraction sign, so they were take away. But you'll also see some of your problems have a plus, and that means you need to add. So always start on the right side. What is 4 plus 2 more? So I can do my touch math on the smaller number and put 2 on the number 2 and say the bigger number and count on 4, 5, 6. And I can say, what is 7 plus 1 more? 1 more than 7 is 8, 86. So just really watch out for the sign, the subtraction or the addition sign, the minus or the plus sign. Okay, second and third grade, let's say that there's a bunch of kids using books. They're reading the books, they're using them for information, they have books. So there's 5 girls, put 5G for girls, and they are using 8 books. So 8 books. And there's also 5 boys, but they are using 7 books, so a little different. How many books are the girls using? So each girl is using 5 books. So we would go 5 times 5, which means you count by 5s 5 times. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the girls are using 25 books. The boys have 7 books, so they are, oh wait, guys, I did it wrong. That was if I went this way. There's 5 girls and they're each using 8 books. I hope you're catching me on these today. I'm a little distracted. Skittles is running all over the place. Okay, 5 girls have 8 books, so it'd be, we're gonna count by, we can count 5 times 8, so we can either count by 8s 5 times, or we can count by 5s 8 times. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hold up 8 fingers and I'm going to count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40. So we're going to do the 40. And there goes my marker again. Okay. So there'd be 40. They're using 40 bucks. Now, we come to the second row. There's 5 boys and they're each using 7. So let's put 7 fingers up and count by 5s again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35. So the boys are using 35. Well, how many are they using together? Is that a plus or a minus? It's a plus. So let's add these two together and start on the right side. What's 0 plus 5? 5. What's 4 plus 3? 4. And we got 3 more. 5, 6, 7, right? 7. So they'd be using together 75 books. You are also doing some subtraction problems, but yours is a little bit bigger. You have a triple digit and you're subtracting a double digit from the triple digit. So always start on the right hand side. And can you take 8 away from 2? No, you can't do that. So the 2 has to go next door and knock on his door and say, please, can I have one? And 9 is kind. And he says, yes, I will give you one of mine. Which means when I give one away, I am now an 8 and you are a 12 because I put my 1 in front of you. And then I say 12 take away 8. Well, you don't have 12 fingers, so what you can do is count up. So you start at 8 and count up to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much is that? 4. And then we say, what's 8 take away 4? Very good, it's 4. And then 5, he's just kind of hanging there, so he just drops down, and you have 544. Okay, now the last thing you're going to do is they're going to have you measure out a rectangle, and it might look something like this. And it will, you're going to measure, the length is going to be 30, and I think it's centimeters, and you're also, the width is going to be 15. So they're going to ask you, once you've drawn it, what is the perimeter of this whole thing? So that means you're going to add these two sides. 30 plus 30 is, well, you can tell 3 plus 3 is 6, and then add the 0, so 60. And then 15 plus 15, do you know what 15 plus 15 is? 30. So we're going to add, you add those two numbers together. So 0 plus 0 is 0. What's 6 plus 3 more? 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So the perimeter of this whole rectangle is 90. All right, and that's your lesson for today. I'm going to go play with Skittles so she can stop running around crazy, and you are going to do your worksheets. So have fun doing that, and have a wonderful day.